ano si One Step Rebond. One step, 4 hours lang, tapos na sila. Ito yung mga finished products natin for our models. This is our for virgin hair and this is our for colored hair. I am Auggie, one of the technical educator of G&G Glamour Philippines. Today we will be featuring one of the innovative product of G&G Glamour. This is our One Step Rebond. For now, let me introduce to you Ms. Weng to discuss and present to you our model for today.
Hi, I'm Ms. Weng. Thank you, Ms. Auggie. Now we will be doing a previously rebonded hair. As you can see, it has a straightened part, and this is colored hair. So I'll start doing the hair at the back area. Our one-step rebond is also designed for color-treated and previously rebonded hair. So I'm applying it away from the scalp, at least half inch away, down to the rebonded demarcation. And leave it for 20 minutes and check it right after that. And now I would like to call on Ms. Weng to present her model.
Hi mga ka-Glamourous, I'm Ms. Weng. Ako po isa sa mga technical educator ng Glamour. So today, ipapakilala ko po sa inyo ang aming one-step rebond. Ang aking model is virgin hair. Perfect po siya sa virgin hair. So, ang gagawin po natin, apply po natin siya half inch away hanggang dulo. Mag-start po tayo sa likod. Then, siguraduhin lang po natin ang exact amount ng i-apply natin para iwasan ang pagdadamage. So, simulan po natin dito. Pag natapos na po tayo ng pag-application, leave natin ng 20 minutes. Then, i-check po natin.
Why one step? Lalo na ngayong pandemic, masyadong control ang oras natin sa salon. One Step is a very innovative product kasi mabilis po siya. Normally, ang rebonding system is it will take you like 4 hours, maximum 8 hours in the salon. But with One Step, half the time lang ang magiging processing time nyo. Normally, sa salon, ang kliyente magtatagal yan hanggang 8 oras when they do color, rebond, and keratin. But with One Step, 4 hours lang, tapos na sila. So One Step Rebond po is specially designed po siya for normal hair and sensitized hair. Ano po ba yung mga categories ng normal hair? Ito yung kagaya, one of the example po ng normal hair. Hindi po siya sobrang kulot, wavy lang, pero nakikita mo na may pagka-unruly yung hair niya. But for One Step Rebond, hindi po siya designed for resistant or super curled hair. Hindi niya po kakayanin yun. So, yung mga ganitong texture will be enough to straighten by One Step. So, One Step Rebond po is specially designed din po siya for color-treated hair. But of course, guys, always remember that you have to check the elasticity of the hair before you do any rebonding. Hindi rin po siya designed for bleach hair. But of course, we know for a fact na pag bleach hair, less na po yung bands ng buhok. So there's no sense of doing rebonding on the bleach hair kasi ang mangyayari niyan is mapuputol lang yung hair ng kliyente niyo. Anong meron kay One Step? Meron siyang amino acid keratin, which is the life and strength of the hair. Meron din siyang collagen. It gives elasticity and antioxidant on the hair. It is also infused with hyaluronic acid for moisture, combability, and pliability of the hair.
So we are now checking the hair. We'll do some strand test. Kung saan po kayo sanay na mag-strand test, you just do it. We'll do a nutting test this time to see if the hair is fully developed. But if not, you can still leave it 5 to 10 minutes to develop. But my model is okay. So I have to do the 5 minutes routines application.
So after 20 minutes sa pagbabad natin, ito po model is virgin hair. Like Miss Irish, 20 minutes po natin binabad. Pero sa kanya po, i-check natin if develop na. So, sa case po ng hair niya, okay na. Develop na po siya. So, mag-root application na po ako for 5 minutes. Then, after 5 minutes, i-rinse na po natin yung hair.
Charcoal Active Detox Mask is an intense treatment with keratin and collagen protein. It deeply moisturizes and removes impurities on the hair. It also has arginine that rejuvenates scalp and promotes hair growth. It is best used after one-step rebond.
So guys, ito na po yung ating model. Nabanlawan na po siya. Then lower na po natin siya 100% dry. So ito pong model ko, dahil virgin hair po siya, ipa-planchain na po natin siya. So yung iron temperature po niya, 200 to 220. While yung kay Miss Irish, dahil color-treated hair po siya, 180 to 200. And then kailangan po 90 degrees angles para maiwasan po natin yung demarcation or yung pagpuputol-putol ng buhok.
Guys, thank you for watching. Ito yung mga finished products natin for our models. This is our for virgin hair and this is our for colored hair. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So I hope you like it, guys. Thank you and bye-bye. Bye guys!
Under the frozen light, we are a picture of 1,000 nights. We won't come down, 'cause we shine so bright.
Okay, harap. Dahan-dahan. Oh, lakad. Oh.
Thank you guys for watching. So ito yung final pan